Timeless concepts from Physics Helpline. In this video tutorial, we will discuss a multiple choice question from JEE main exam of 2022. The question is based on units of physical quantities. Read the question carefully. Velocity v and acceleration a in two systems of units 1 and 2 are related as v2 is equal to n by m square into v1 and a2 is equal to a1 divided by mn respectively, where m and n are constants. The relations for distance L and time t in the two systems respectively are. The options are given in the question. We are required to find the correct option. Now for the solution. We have marked the given relations in velocity and acceleration as equation 1 and 2. And also we have kept the options given in the question. Now velocity is equal to distance divided by time and acceleration is equal to distance divided by time square. Therefore, for system 1, we can write v1 is equal to L1 by T1 and v2 is equal to L2 by T2. Similarly, for acceleration, for the first system, A1 is equal to L1 by T1 square and A2 is equal to L2 by T2 square. Now I will put the values in equations 1 and 2. Equation 1 gives V2 is equal to n by m square into V1. What is V2? L2 by T2 is equal to n by m square into V1. V1 is L1 by T1. We'll mark this as equation 3. And for acceleration, equation 2. So equation 2 implies A2 is equal to A1 by Mn. So A2 is L2 by T2 square is equal to A1 by Mn. Let us write 1 by Mn into A1. A1 is L1 by T1 square. L1 by T1 square. We'll mark this as equation 4. Now equation 3 implies L2 by L1 is equal to n by m square into T2 by T1. Similarly, equation 4 implies L2 by L1 is equal to 1 by Mn into T2 square by T1 square. Let us mark the equations as equation 5 and equation 6. LHS of equations 5 and 6 are equal, each equal to L2 by L1. Therefore, we can safely equate the RHS. N by m square T2 by T1 is equal to 1 by Mn T2 square by T1 square. In the LHS we have got T2 by T1, in the RHS we have got T2 square by T1 square. So 1 T2 by T1 gets cancelled from both sides, which gives N by M square is equal to 1 by Mn into T2 by T1. Simplifying this, we can get T2 by T1 is equal to T2 by T1 is equal to N into Mn is equal to Mn square divided by M square, which is equal to N square by M. We mark this as equation 7. Now putting the value of T2 by T1 from equation 7 in equation 5, we can find L2 by L1 is equal to L2 by L1 is equal to N by M square N by M square into T2 by T1. T2 by T1 is nothing but N square by M, which gives us N cubed by M cubed. Let's mark this as equation 8. So equation 8 implies, what does it imply? N cubed by M cubed into L1 is equal to L2. Similarly, equation 7 implies N square by M into T1 is equal to T2. Now we can easily see that these are the correct relations for L1, L2 and T1, T2. We can see that option A has got exactly the same relations. Therefore, we conclude that option A is the correct option. Correct option is A. Let us tick it. Correct option is A. And this completes the answer to the question. Thanks for watching.